What's the meaning of clever clogs? Clever clogs. Clever clogs.
Clever clogs. Clever clogs. Clever clogs is an informal expression used to describe someone who is being arrogant or showing off their intelligence. The term can be considered slightly derogatory and may be used in a teasing or playful manner. It is generally used when someone is being too clever or knowledgeable for their own good, or when someone is being overly competitive in a situation that doesn't warrant it. Overall, the phrase connotes a sense of annoyance or irritation towards someone who is perceived to be showing off unnecessarily.